We're taking a little journey in Old Cadoxton down Robin's Lane. Some unusual features. Nice little coach house. And we sort of go down here, and really interestingly enough, there's two little houses. So these would be dating from roughly the 1890s or late 1880s. And really heavy traffic down here. Very, very heavy traffic. And my car's blocking the street. To say Robin's Lane. Traffic taking a shortcut down here. See him scratching the side of my car as I'm filming. And so we can see this little coach house on the right here. So a little bit of an ad hoc video. And sort of we go out. So if we scan across and go back down here to Main Street, or not Main Street, Barry Road, and then it comes out the junction where Main Street is. So anyway, it's KARL-JAMES LANGFORD. I thought I'd do this little video. Really, really busy down here today, and thank you very much.